Little Early English Education.
Hello, super learners! Today, we're going to draw and color a brand new number block, Numberblock 16,000. Let's get started. First, we will draw the main body. Draw one big rectangle. Now, inside the rectangle. Now, divide the rectangle into two main parts. The top section represents 10,000 blocks. The bottom section represents 6,000 blocks. Now draw 3 vertical lines. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Now draw 3 horizontal lines. 1, 2, 3. Now draw 40 vertical lines. Keep your ruler nice and straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Wonderful! Now draw 40 horizontal lines. Ready? Let's count together. 40, 80, 120, 160, 200, 240, 280, 320, 360, 400, 440, 480, 520, 560, 600, 640, 680, 720, 760, 800, 840, 880, 920, 960, 1,000, 1,040, 1,080, 1,120, 1,160, 1,200, 1,240, 1,280, 1,320, 1,360, 1,400, 1,440, 1,480, 1,520, 1,560, and 1,600. Fantastic! We reached 1,600. That's SIXTEENHUNDRED. Amazing! Tiny squares are appearing everywhere. These lines begin dividing every large section into hundreds of tiny blocks. Now we're entering fast draw mode. Draw lots more tiny vertical lines.
Go,
Now lots more tiny horizontal lines. Soon every large section becomes hundreds of tiny blocks.
9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. Heaven! 8 times 1 is 10. Hooray! 10 times 2 is 20. Say! 10 times 3 is 30. Whoa! 10 times 4 is 40. Whoa! Clap it, tap it, say it clear. Tables learning, no more fear. Practice daily, strong and true. Math is easy when we do. Multiply, multiply, let's go high. Tables, power, reach the sky. Learn it fast, learn it right. Tables make our future bright. Yo! Yo! Yeah, yo, ready to go. Grab your colors, let's roll. Draw it up, break it down. Number blocks all around. Box, box, line it tight. Stack it up, left to right. Up, down, hit that square. Draw it clean everywhere. Color drop, color pop. Don't slow down, don't you stop. Red, blue, yellow, green. Fastest coloring never seen. Go, go, color go. Move your hands, let it flow. In the lines, out the gate. Paint it fast, feel the beauty. 1, 2, count it loud. 3, 4, jump around. 5, 6, keep it strong. 7, 8, sing along. Yo, 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 yo. 9, 10, let's go high. Blocks stack up to the sky. More, more, add some weight. Big number, feel that rate. Flip the page, hit at a time. Red is bright and blue is cool. Yellow like the sun. Coloring the number blocks is learning mixed with fun. Color gently, color neatly, stay inside each line. Every stroke and every shade makes the picture shine. Green and orange, pink and brown. Mix them
Amazing!
if you like.
Numberblock
Drawing color
16,000
together
is
makes the numbers come
almost
to life.
complete.
Let's start counting
Now let's draw
slow.
Numberblock 16,000's face. First, draw eyes. Inside shapes, draw the eyes, add the pupil details, and small shine circles.
Let's draw the number blocks nice and neat on the page. Rectangle shapes, we begin step by step like a stage. Line goes up, line goes down, every block in the right space. Boring is
Draw
fun
a
and
big,
slow.
happy,
We
smiling
need to
mouth.
rush the
Add the mouth
page.
detail inside the smile.
Color inside, stay inside, make it bright just like the sun.
Now draw
Red,
both
blue,
hands.
Yellow, green, this color in time is fun. Number blocks appear.
Draw a watch on one hand.
We create one by one, they come alive. This magic feels so great.
After that, draw both legs and shoes.
Color, color, color inside, fill it soft and neat and bright. Use your crayons, use your markers, make your picture feel just right. Shine the picture, let it glow.
Finally, on the top, write 16,000. Fantastic work, super learners! You've drawn Numberblock 15,000. Now let's color him in and bring him to life. Get your colors ready. Let's start.
Count with me 1 to 10, let the color start again. 11, 12, 13,
Pick
14,
up the black
15,
color.
a friend, 15,
Spell it.
16, 17,
B-L-A-C-K.
numbers show what we can learn and what
Black
we
color.
do.
Both pupils. Inside the mouth. Beautiful.
Red next, blue next, yellow next. Color every single one, step by step and block by block. Count them slow, then count them fast. We
Pick
are learning
purple.
all the numbers, this knowledge always stays.
P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple color.
Tick-tock, tick-tock,
Eye
drawing
outlines.
time never stops. Color stop,
Smile
color
outline.
lightly, make the picture never
Find
stop. Color
purple.
the blocks one by one.
Can you find something purple? Look around. A toy?
Every single
A shirt?
square makes number
A book?
so divine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We color and we count alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can start it all again. This is learning with our heart. This is fun and
Great
this is
job.
art. Drawing every little part makes the magic truly start. Color the top, color
Pick
the bottom,
indigo.
color the middle, in between.
I-N-D-I-G-O.
Best we've ever seen.
Color.
Rainbow colors everywhere.
Both hands.
Imagine all combined.
Both
Drawing
legs.
complex and love makes every
Excellent.
picture look so fine.
Wiggle your hands.
Now
Wave
take
your
it nice and
hands.
slow, step by step and
Left.
line by line. Take a breath and
Right.
join the view. Number blocks look
Both
so
together.
fine. We can draw them
Now
every day.
wiggle your fingers.
Color we can count.
Great job. Pick yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Color the watch. Beautiful. Find yellow. Can you find something yellow? A flower? A toy? The sun? Wonderful.
We can shade it, we can blend it, make the colors match and mix. Drawing shapes and counting numbers is a perfect learning fix. 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks tall, 4 blocks, 5 blocks, stack them all. 6 and 7, 8 and 9, 10 blocks.
Now pick red. R-E-D. Red. Color the huge 10,000 block section. Take your time. Stay inside the lines. Color neatly. Let's play while we color. Count by thousands. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. Fantastic. Count backwards. 10,000, 9,000, 8,000, 7,000, 6,000, 5,000, 4,000, 3,000, 2,000, 1,000. Amazing. Slow coloring challenge. Color slowly, nice, neatly, carefully. You're doing great. Fast coloring challenge. Ready? Fast. 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 Now, stop. Wonderful listening. Find white spaces. Look carefully. Do you see any white spaces? Color them. Perfect. Color hunt. Can you find something red near you? Point to it. Great.
Every tiny square and spot. Mix the colors all together, light and dark and warm and hot. Drawing makes us smile wide. Coloring makes us feel alive. Number blocks are happy blocks. They make learning really thrive. 1 little block, 2 little blocks, 3 and 4 and 5 in line, 6 and 7, 8 and 9, 10 together looking fine. Add them, stack them, count them tall. Numbers growing all the time. Drawing every single block makes our artwork super prime. We can blend and we can shade. We can mix the colors bright. We can make new combinations, make the picture shine in light. Drawing slowly, coloring softly.
Now pick indigo again. Spell it together. I-N-D-I-G-O. Indigo. Color the entire 6,000 block section. Wonderful. Count by 2,000s. 2,000, 4,000, 6,000, 8,000, 10,000, 12,000, 14,000, 16,000. Excellent. Color detective. Can you find something blue? Can you find something purple? Can you find something yellow? Amazing. Freeze game. Color, 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 freeze. Don't move. Now continue. Happy face challenge. Can you make a happy face? Can you make a surprised face? Can you make a silly face? You're funny. Shoulder wiggle. Wiggle your shoulders. Left, right, both together. Back to coloring. Quiet artist challenge. Let's color very quietly for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent focus. Spot the empty block. Look carefully. Can you find one tiny block that still needs color? Fill it in.
Is a fun and happy ride. Color gently, nice and slow. Fill the paper bright and true. Red and yellow, green and blue, every shade and every hue. Inside the lines we color neat, smooth and soft without a rush.
Let's count by thousands one last time. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, 15,000, 16,000. Fantastic counting!
Coloring top to bottom, every tiny square and spot. Mix the colors all together, light and dark and warm and hot. Drawing makes us smile wide, coloring makes us feel alive. Number blocks are happy blocks, they make learning really thrive. One little block, two little blocks, 3 and 4 and 5 in line. 6 and 7, 8 and 9, 10 together looking fine.
Fantastic job, super learners! Today we learned how to draw and color number block 16,000. Perfect! Learning time. Let's learn together. 10,000, 6,000 equals 16,000. Amazing! Say it with me. 16,000. Spell it together. S-I-X-T-E-E-N. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. 16,000. Learning that 10,000 plus 6,000 equals 16,000. Counting by thousands. Spelling a giant number. Playing lots of fun mini games. Coloring carefully like amazing artists. Give yourself a big clap. If you enjoyed today's adventure, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell so you never miss another number block drawing adventure. Tell me in the comments, which color was your favorite on number block 16,000? Was it red, purple, indigo, yellow, or black? Keep drawing, keep coloring, keep counting, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next amazing number block adventure. Bye-bye, super learners!
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.